Page 4, Jingle Bells. I'm going to go through the process that I use to learn a piece of music. A set series of steps that I go through. It's just I have a habit of doing it. See, when you start a piece of music, it's nice to have some sort of a plan. How do I go about tackling this? And you'll come up with your own plan or whatever. Your teacher may have a plan. But they're my videos, so I use the plan that I'm used to. I look it over. It's 4 lines long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. Time signatures, 4/4 time signature, 4 counts in a measure, and a quarter note gets a count. And I kind of glance through it and I see quarter notes and half notes and whole notes, and hopefully we can do that okay. So since the hands are just playing one hand at a time, I'm going to take both hands together here, and because it shortens the video a little bit. So the left hand starts with second finger on B. I trust you know the names of the notes in the music because I teach that in the method book, not in this here. So that's a B. That puts the hand here. And the right hand, when it plays, the second finger on D in the third measure. And that's here. So we're in middle C position. And we just slowly go through, see if I can play this okay. 3, 4. And I go through the whole thing and see if I can play it. Then I go back over it slowly and carefully and get rid of any hesitations. And you should be able to play this one and probably most everything in this book without looking at the keyboard, because you're not moving around and you need to remember which key each finger is on. So you don't need any other finger numbers other than the ones at the beginning to tell you where to put the hands, and that's it. So once I have that, then I'll think about the dynamics. At the beginning, you get an F for forte. That's loud. Now you'll have to decide what loud is. It's not super loud. It's just loud. Don't get carried away. But it's different in different situations, so there's no set value for loud. What do you think it is? Whatever you think loud is, the whole thing is loud. It's a happy piece. And then finally the speed. It says merrily. Not really a speed, it's a mood, but a lot of times in music where they're supposed to tell you how fast to go, instead they tell you the mood. And from the mood, you decide how fast you're going to go. So if you're happy, merry, happy, well, how fast would you go? Well, it'll be different for different people. For me, it depends on how much coffee I've had to drink or whatever. It's whatever. Please don't copy me. That's just one way it might go. You don't have to take it at that speed. You can go a little faster or a little slower. Just make sure it's accurate. Now let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. This is just to make sure you have the correct note at the correct time. You should play the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. And then we'll play. Now, we're not performing it here. We're just checking notes and rhythms. That's all this is for. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. I need you to go up the keyboard. So just pretend that middle C, instead of here, it's up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. Now make sure you can do this with no hesitations anywhere, or this won't work. 1, 2, ready, go.